This is a video demonstration for how to change your settings in ParetoLogic privacy controls. So on the left side of the program there is a schedule button. It'll give you an option to set when the automatic scan runs. By default there won't be an automatic scan, but you can use the new, edit, and delete buttons to change the schedule settings that are available. Each setting will give you an option for when exactly to run the scan. If you want to have it run in the middle of the night when nobody's using the computer, that's usually the most convenient. The only thing to bear in mind is the computer does have to be turned on during the scheduled time in order for the scan to run. And after the scheduled scan runs, the results will be ready for you next time you go to the computer. Now there is a setting on the options section that can affect the schedule. If you have automatically clean after scanning checked, then it'll also clean the items automatically after the scheduled scan. It'll still ask you to reboot the computer next time you go to the computer, simply because it doesn't have the ability to restart it without your input. But all you need to do is restart the computer and it will be finished. On the About screen of the program are a number of options related to licensing, expiry date, that kind of thing. You can check for updates manually using the button on this screen here, and that'll have the program check for updates and apply them automatically. So in my case there was actually an update available. You can see that installing an update doesn't usually take very long. And you can check the box in the bottom corner to close the window when the update is finished. Now on this screen you will also see your license key, your expiry date, and your license version. There are a number of buttons and things you can use as well in order to correct any issues that occur. You can click on Update Options in order to change when and how the program updates automatically. And in the Schedule section, you have the option to set a custom time for when the updates occur, but normally it'll just update whenever you start your computer. If your program seems to have the incorrect expiry date, or it's telling you that your license is expired when you think it shouldn't be, you can try reactivating as follows. First, you'll want to copy your license key down. I've got mine copied down into a notepad window here. And then there is an Unlicense button here that you can click on. When you click on Unlicense, it'll remove your license key from the program and give you a box where you can enter it in. So you can copy and paste your license key back in. You can also do this if you want to change license keys. Simply paste the new license key back in instead of the old one. And when you click on OK, it'll register your program again. And this time it should have the correct expiry date, because this procedure forces the program to check back with our servers to see if any changes have been made. There is also the dehost button here if you want to move your license to another computer. There is also the Help button, or the Help link in the top right corner of the program. If you click on that, it brings you to the Privacy Controls User Manual. The User Manual does have a Get Started section for if you just installed the program and you want to get things going quickly. And there is also a search function where you can type your question in, press search, and if it's in the User Manual, it'll present it to you. And there is the Support button in the program. If you click on that, it brings you to the Support section of our website. You can type a question in there, and if there's an answer, it'll find it for you. Or you can also contact us using the contact form here. And there is the license key lookup section as well if you've forgotten your license key. And there is the button here to go to our website as well that just takes you to our home page. That concludes the settings video for privacy controls. If you have any questions, then feel free to contact us or have a look at the other videos in the series.